This is always a bad sign. Sometimes we don't realize this right at first, but when you get to a pond and you have waterfowl that are domestic, native, hybrids that are just sticking around a pond, they're being fed. And this was a piece of the puzzle we didn't know about, this pond, and it's no wonder it's having blue-green algae problems, even with the renovation tactics we've used. If you've got that many waterfowl being fed every single day, then you've got quite a few pounds of duck fertilizer going into your pond every single day. And waterfowl feces is high in phosphorus, which blue-green algae absolutely love. And when you've got no shoreline vegetation left, as you can see, they've been mowing to the shoreline. And the shoreline erosion is absolutely terrible. Even after our recommendations to stop mowing to the edge, it continues. So, yeah, we've got to get these guys to stop feeding the ducks and to modify how they manage this pond, or we'll never get it back.